Hi, and welcome to this extreme test case using the Red Reactor. When power really matters, you'll want to know that it's going to work. In this crazy setup, I've used one Red Reactor to power a Raspberry Pi 4 with a touchscreen, fan and a USB hub with keyboard, mouse and webcam. It's also providing power to charge the battery of a second Red Reactor neatly connected underneath a Raspberry Pi 3 with its own display. We'll go mad and run a stress test on both the Pi 3 and a Pi 4, drawing over 4 amps in total. The scope shows the output voltage lines for each Red Reactor, the voltmeter is attached to the output of the first one, and the DC supply shows you how much current is required by this complete setup. Okay, so now let's turn on the Pi 3 using the simple button interface. Alright, let's go. As you can see, there are no undervoltage warnings on the Pi 4 screen as we ramp up the power to nearly 3 amps, with the output very steady on the scope around 5.1 volts. So let's get going and run the graphics test on the Pi 3, and the first reactor will be delivering around 3.5 amps to both the Pi 4 and the Pi 3. But we aren't there yet. Now we'll get the Pi 4 to do the same. And whoa, we're well over 4 amps. Now under this heavy load we switch off the DC supply and let it all run off the first Red Reactor's batteries. Now you can see it's all running really smoothly. Steady voltages in both the Pi 3 and the Pi 4 are running flat out. So we switch back to the DC supply and there you have it. Seamless switching between the mains and battery under extreme loads. You'll find more information in the links below about the Kickstarter campaign, but feel free to ask questions and thank you for watching.